Running an organization with employees or contractors in the field on a regular basis is not easy. Traditional web-based software solutions just aren't built for smartphones, and they don't address the unique challenges of a mobile workforce. That's why there's MobiWork. MobiWork provides everything you need before, during, and after each job. It's a complete software solution for your team in the field, in the office, and your customers. The MobiWork app for your field employees is easy to learn and use. It provides all the information they need to complete their jobs faster, along with step-by-step instructions to guide them. This ensures everyone works in unison. They can capture pictures, signatures, locations, barcodes, payments, and so much more. The MobiWork app is fast and responsive. It works offline, and all updates are automatically and immediately pushed. Your office team can optimally plan and manage customers, keeping track of what's happening in real time from anywhere with the web-based portal. MobiWork also provides detailed reports to analyze and optimize every aspect of your operations. The MobiWork customer portal and app allow you to provide a superior customer experience by keeping them engaged and informed at all times. For my business, MobiWork increased productivity and reduced costs. It gives us real-time visibility and improves customer satisfaction. MobiWork has literally transformed the way we operate. Oh, look. Another job completed. Nice work, team.